In the last tutorial, I told you that we are going to be talking on the mini e-com website strategy for selling your imported products. But before we get into that, I really need to talk a little bit about selling on the WhatsApp platform. Whether you are using the free WhatsApp Messenger or WhatsApp business option of it. Though if you really want to make it work with the WhatsApp marketing strategy, you need to use the business option of it. That's the business version of WhatsApp. Now, talking about selling on WhatsApp, a lot of persons, even you watching this video, you might already be selling on WhatsApp. But what persons don't know, what many marketers don't know, digital marketers, is that WhatsApp is a whole lot far more than what you are using it to be. Now, if you really know how to sell on WhatsApp, you are going to be cranking out sales like clockwork. Yes, I've made a lot of money from the WhatsApp platform, whether for selling my physical or digital product, and it really works. And a lot of my students are already killing it with WhatsApp. And because of how powerful and viable WhatsApp is, this is not even what we are going to treat for this mini importation course. I created a powerful course on how to sell on WhatsApp that I call the WhatsApp Millionaire E-com Blueprint, and you can see it on the screen here. I'm going to go all over there and open up the website so you see exactly what it is all about. Now, as the website is opening up, I want you to understand one thing when it comes to selling on WhatsApp. It is not all about getting thousands of views or even millions of views if that is obtainable. It's not all about that. It is about how you use what you already have on the WhatsApp platform. Aside doing WhatsApp ads now, I'm talking about selling using the WhatsApp platform. Even without ads now, you could make a whole lot of cash. Now, when you now add ads to it, it's like marketing on WhatsApp on steroids. Now, generally what people do is that when they get their mini imported goods into the country, they just line it up on their WhatsApp status, even up to like 30 lots of pictures and pages of their products. And I've seen this a whole lot on WhatsApp, and I've told my students that this is the wrong way of doing it. They just want people to be going through their products, and what they don't know is that the WhatsApp platform is not made for selling per se. It's just that we use disruptive marketing, just like for Facebook. A lot of persons come to their WhatsApp status to check out jokes, to have fun, to get motivated. Now you are giving them pictures of sneakers, human hairs, like tens and tens of them every day. What do you think is going to happen? They are going to mute you. They are going to block you. Because I know I've muted a lot of people like that. So that is not how you sell on WhatsApp. Can you sell using your WhatsApp status? Of course you can sell. I've even sold on my WhatsApp status without even really selling. I made hundreds of thousands of naira. It is very much possible. But you need to do it well. And you don't need to annoy your contacts using the WhatsApp platform as you sell. Now, the WhatsApp Millionaire E-com Blueprint details all the strategies and every working strategies that is not even being taught by these gurus that I used a whole lot. Even during the COVID-19 worldwide lockdown, I used this method to crank out sales. Even then, I was selling physical products and I was selling digital products, of course. And this course explains everything, shows you 4 different strategies that you can use to sell your digital product, to sell your physical product, and with a whole lot of bonuses. This is a course you want to get. But I'm just going to treat one, just take a look at one of the topics there. I'll just take a look at one of the topics treated in the manual, and that is using setting up an e-commerce store on WhatsApp for free. Now, it is very possible using an app called Vipa. Now, I'm just going to get Vipa. You type it on Google, and this is Vipa here. So, and there is the free option of Vipa. and this is it, the product you have on there. That's, you'll be interested in this, an online store and a CRM system that you can use to converse and relate with your customers even on the go. Then carry out WhatsApp Pro and a WhatsApp this link generator. This is a really powerful software, powerful platform that you should be using for your marketing, and it is really viable. And let me open up so that you see how my store looks like on WhatsApp. So while it is opening up, this is the price of Vipa here. You see the free option comes with a whole lot of features, and you can put in 50 products. Let's scroll down. You see pool store. The store can take up to 50 products, which is very cool. And then a whole lot of good stuff in there. You can integrate your payment. You can integrate and Paystack and Flutterwave system on it, payment system. And I've used it and I still use it, and you should really be using this. I'm going to pause the video so that okay, let's just continue with it. The WhatsApp on my system is taking a whole lot of time to open, but generally this is when you go to product and the store, you want to create a store on WhatsApp. You can even get a free business page. This is how this store is going to look like. Generally it's going to look like that. You just scroll down the page, you see how your store is going to look like, and you can share on your favorite network social media platforms, and then you can create a receipt, and it could be in your local currency. They can pay, you can get paid in your local currency, and you get reports. That's live reports. And then this is how the dashboard inside looks like, and you can track your orders, and these are the payment integrations. So it is a really cool platform, really cool platform, and you should make use of it. It is free, so you just click on sign up. It takes you to the sign up page, and this is Vipa Wave. You can also get it from the Play Store, you can get it from the Apple Store as well. You just fill in your name and boom, you are. It's not a rocket science. Then you integrate the payment system to it. And in the WhatsApp Millionaire Income Blueprint that I showcase to you, this particular one, I showed how you can get it done. Spent about 2 hours or more just treating the WhatsApp e-commerce store, how you can set it up for yourself, set it up also for your clients, and link it up with a payment processor and everything relating to it. How you should really use this, some hidden tricks and tips and strategies inside that you really need to know. So marketing on WhatsApp, using your WhatsApp platform for your e-commerce product is really powerful. It is really powerful, I must say. And there are a whole lot of strategies you can use to sell on WhatsApp. You can use the group feature, you can organize classes and sell your physical products, and the group feature, and the WhatsApp TV, and that's talking about your status, the e-commerce using the e-commerce, the shop e-commerce strategy on WhatsApp using Vipa. So like 4 strategies that you could really use and skyrocket your sale. And I will tell you this, it works damn well. So we are going to end the training for here, and you can see the link on the screen where you can get the WhatsApp Millionaire Income Blueprint, or you get in touch with me if you are really interested in using WhatsApp to sell your products and even combining it with other strategies. You are not just satisfied with making 200 to 500,000 naira a month from your mini importation business. You want to run into 7 figures, then you should be adding up all these strategies, not just the lone wolf, not just the WhatsApp platform. And then you combine all these together, and I tell you this, you are going to make sales. So I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you and God bless.